Hello and welcome back to the ForecastRx video tutorial series. My name is Sam. I'm account manager with ForecastRx. Today we're going to be talking about Restock from Supplier. To navigate to this section, you'll be prompted with a message. Please run a sync and forecast before creating a shipment. This is important to do to make sure that your inventory quantities and previous shipments are up to date. To do so, you can exit that box. And in the top right corner, you can click Sync. Once that is done, you can then click Run Forecast. Afterwards, you will come back to the Restock from Supplier main screen. Here we have on the left all of your suppliers listed. The first one, All Suppliers, will show you every SKU, regardless of supplier. The next ones down will be your individual suppliers. And then we have My Warehouse, which is any SKU with an inventory quantity entered locally. And then Unassigned is for all items without a supplier assigned to them. Up on the top here, we have more information that you can sort through if you would like, such as Restock Now. This one will show you any SKU that has the orange flag associated with it from any of these categories. And the same goes for the other flags. Then we also have your total restock units here. I'm going to click into All Suppliers. Once you click into All Suppliers, you will see all flags will be selected, as well as items with the watch icon. You can click any of these off at any time if you don't want to see items with those flags. And for the watch list, you can set those next to every single SKU. You can go between active, watch, ignore, and active. These are just your choice for sorting out your items. The flag will be automatically inputted based on your stock levels within Amazon. Next to that, we have just some information about your product. We have the SKU, we have the ASIN, and the product title. If you click on the product title, that'll bring you to your Amazon listing. If you click the SKU or ASIN, that'll bring up Seller Central, and then you can look at your inventory quantities within there. If you click on this button right below, Change Item Information, that will bring up any additional information you would like to put in about each SKU regarding the shipping costs, case pack quantities. If you don't have a supplier assigned, you can assign one here, or set an individual product lead time and warehouse quantity if you would like to. The fields on the bottom are going to be automatically entered by Amazon. Once you've made your changes, you can hit Save and then Close. The tags and notes sections are useful for any additional information you would like attached to each SKU. As we continue to scroll down, you'll see this is where your supplier would be inputted, and then other information regarding your supplier's price, your inbound shipping costs, your FBA replenishment model that was set in the settings section. We also have information regarding how many FBA sellers there are, as well as non-FBA sellers, and the lowest price. Similar to this, we have buy box information, such as your list price, the average price, and the current buy box. If your products are hazmat or oversized, we have this listed here just for any special shipping instructions. And you also have your package weight and dimensions that are brought in from your Amazon listing. If we scroll over a little bit more, we'll see some sales information. All of these columns can also be moved around how you would like to view them. All right, we have your total orders columns right here where you can see 2, 7, 30-day sales, as well as 60, 90, and 100-day sales. You can also sort by these categories. Next, we have the estimated margin calculations. If you open up this calculator right below, you will see different pricing here. You can select each one, and it'll give you a different estimated margin and markup based on the price selected. In the change items information, you'll be able to input all the cost information that goes along with this. And then the Amazon fees will all be brought in automatically. Next to that column, we have your FBA quantities. Your on hand, this is what is available for sale right now. And then inbound, this will be your total inbound units at the moment, starting from the working status. We have FC transfers and then a total of all of these available quantities. If you see the inbound quantity has this blue hyperlink, you can select that, and the inbound shipments tool will pop up. This will show you all shipments that you have into Amazon with this specific SKU, as well as the shipment quantity, how many have been received, and the difference for what is left to be received. All right, scrolling further, we have some information that you set previously, such as your target days of stock in Amazon. And then we have the remaining days left in Amazon for this particular SKU. The demand is how many units per day you sell. And then we have if your product was out of stock within this target days window. And then more information about some of your SKUs stocked in Amazon. We have reserved and unfulfillable. Pending will show you how many pending orders there are in Amazon. The warehouse inventory, this is what you will upload, and it tells you the last date that you uploaded it. So this information for this specific SKU was updated on the 1st, which was yesterday, meaning that this is probably up-to-date information. If you see that the date is further back in time, you definitely want to go ahead and re-upload your inventory to make sure this is accurate. And the next column will be your recommendations. And then from here, you will be able to add them to your order if you're using Restock from Supplier to make your order. This screen is helpful for if you're just looking for information on any of your SKUs, as well as actually creating your shipments. For more information on how to enter information into Restock from Supplier, you can send us a message or watch any of my other future videos. Hope this was helpful. Thank you. Have a great day.